Hey guys, and welcome back to Living with Chanel. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need
onion, tomatoes, ginger, leek leaves, garlic, cooking oil, red pepper flakes, cube, salt, white pepper, black pepper, Egusi. This is pumpkin seeds. I'm eating mine with rice. Meat of choice. I was boiling my beef. I forgot to show the celery and bay leaves. This is optional. The bay leaf is optional, but the celery is not. So I'll reduce the fire. I'm just gonna turn this a little bit. Gonna add some water. Leave the fire on medium. I'm gonna drop some bay leaves. Let that cook together about 2 to 3. So I'm gonna drop some ice to help me form the little balls in the egusi. I'm gonna reduce the fire and just let that cook slowly. Go ahead and add your seasoning. So I'm gonna add red pepper flakes. This pepper is pretty spicy, so I'm not gonna put too much. Black pepper, white pepper, I haven't added salt yet, so salt just a little bit to start. Cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. We'll be back and check in a bit.